What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert a signature in Google Docs. Adding a signature in Google Docs is a super useful feature, especially for signing documents digitally. First, place your cursor where you want the signature to appear. Next, go to the top menu, click on Insert, hover over Drawing and then select New. This will open the Drawing tool where you can create your signature. Once the Drawing tool loads, look at the top toolbar where you will see a line option. Click on it and then select Scribble from the drop-down menu. This allows you to freehand draw your signature directly on the screen. Using your mouse, trackpad or touchscreen, sign your name as naturally as possible. If you make a mistake, you can undo and try again until you're satisfied with how it looks. After finishing your signature, you have more customization options at the top of the toolbar. You can change the line color, adjust the thickness, and tweak a few other settings if needed. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close, and your signature will now be added to the document. Now that the signature is inserted, you can resize it by clicking on it and dragging the corner points. If you need to move it freely, select the signature and at the bottom, change the text wrapping option to Wrap Text or Break Text, which allows you to reposition it anywhere in the document. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.